So the last property that we have to learn. Yesterday we learned the power property, we learned the product property, now we're going to learn the quotient property. You guys, everything goes along with the law of exponents. So if we have a division problem, it means subtraction. Do you remember when we did the law of exponents? If the bases are the same, you can subtract the exponent. In the logarithms, it's the same way. If you have a division problem, you write it as a subtraction problem. You guys, it also goes the other way. If you see a subtraction problem, you can rewrite it as an division problem. So a lot of things that we're going to do today, we're going to apply the properties. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to apply the properties with information that they give us, that it says use. Okay, so we did not do example 2 yesterday, so we're going to do example 2. So in example 2, it says use log base 4 of 2, and that approximately equals 0.5. And they want us to use that to find log base 4 of 32. Okay? So we've kind of done these already, but they're giving us a very specific thing to use. Since they're giving us log base 4 of 2, they're saying this problem is going to have somewhere be able to be rewritten as log base 4 of 2. So we're going to write log base 4 of 32. And is there something we know about 32? Is there a way that we can rewrite it? What do you know about 32? It can be written as log base 4 of 2 to the 5th. Now, you guys, it could also be written as a multiplication problem. There's a couple different ways you can do this, but I will tell you that by far the one way that you want to try to write it is with the power property. The power property says that if you have an exponent, what do you do with it? You put it in front of what? So we're going to take it and we're going to put it in front of log. So that's something we knew. We knew we could rewrite 32 as 2 to the 5th. We knew the power property said if we have an exponent, we can put it in front of log. Now, you guys, do you see log base 4 of 2? Is there something that they gave us to use? Did they give us something to use? So they gave us 0.5. So anytime you see a number in front of log, it means multiplication. So I'm going to do 5 times 0.5, and my answer is going to be 2.5. What questions do you have? So you guys, it's always going to be, when you start out, it's going to be, what do I know? How can I break it up so that I can get to a log base 4 of 2? There's other ways you can do it. Now, some ways don't work. Some problems you can do it more than one way, and you'll get the same answer. But remember that if they tell you to use this in the problem, you have to use it. Okay?